Hey, it's Tashira. Oh my gosh, guess what? So today we have some amazing summer scent combos with body care, fragrance to have you smelling absolutely amazing this summer. You're gonna be smelling like a summer snack. If you don't want to use these in the summer, I mean, that's fine. Use it in the spring, fall, winter, whenever you like. So let's go, let's get into it. Let's smell good. Babies, I am so excited about these body care combos. So let's start with this one. We're gonna start with the coconut vanilla. So starting off with this combo, we're gonna use the Tropic Glow Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This smells really delicious, ambery, and really just tropical and yummy. And then along with that, we're going to be using the Coconut Miracle body oil, and I think this has let's see, oh yeah, it does say it on there, coconut oil, tiare, and vanilla bean. So absolutely beautiful body wash smell, delicious, get you smelling all coconutty and vanilla-y. And then we're going to use the Cocoa Vanilla oil from Pink. This has a beautiful smell, literally smells like vanilla. It gets your body moisturized, it locks in all of that moisture. And this as well, the Coconut Miracle oil is uber moisturizing. Along with the lotion, we're gonna layer the lotion to match on top, the Coconut Miracle oil lotion from OGX. This is one of my favorite lotions of all time. Vanilla, coconut goodness, and then the way it locks moisture into your skin and keeps you hydrated all day. Amazing! And you know, we could not forget the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62 pistachio and salted caramel fragrance. This is the perfect fragrance to layer on top of all of that goodness. And I would even say you could use fresh Pina Colada, which is this one here. I would say you could use this one and then put this on top, because this one has rum, coconut milk, and vanilla and pink hibiscus. And then you could put this one on top. Next, we're moving on to our Sweet Melon smell. This is our Sweet Melon scented body care combinations here. So the honey scrub from Pink. Oh, this smells so good. This literally smells like honey buns to me. I want to open it right now to smell it, but I'm filming the video and I'm using both of my hands, so I cannot. But this smells amazing. It's more so like a body polish. It's a sugar scrub, but then it has that honey in there that moisturizes, and it has like some sort of oil in it. Let's see. I see it has some castor oil. I don't know the exact oils offhand, but this has some amazing, oh, this is a holy grail. I love this. Okay, next up also is a holy grail. This is the Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus Honey Wash. It's the shea and notes of Manuka honey. This was one of my first favorite body washes like ever in life. This is one of the top 3 moisturizing body washes in my shower. This is another one that's very moisturizing, but this, really a lot of the Olay ones are super moisturizing. This one, along with the Olay regular shea butter one, so moisturizing and amazing. Oh my gosh. But this is gonna leave your skin feeling beautiful, and you're gonna smell super good. And of course, we're gonna layer the honey oil on top. So this is from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this is just very yummy smelling. It's a tiny bit sticky because it is honey oil, but I mean, your skin is going to thank you. And on top of the oil, because I love to lock in moisture with oil and then use a lotion, I'm going to be using the Bath & Body Works Summer Melody Body Lotion. So this is Sweet Melon, let me see, nope, it's Golden Honeydew and Bronze of Vanilla. So this leaves you with a melon vanilla sweet smell, which sounds very basic, but it is far from basic. If you have not smelled this, you need to smell this. You need to get this. It is absolutely beautiful. And of course, to go along with it, you can layer the Summer Melody Body Mist. And then I also have the perfume, which was the first item from the line that I ever got. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. So of course, this is a way stronger smell than the body mist, but this is just going to make sure that that smell does not leave your body. So you're going to be smelling good and sweet and melony. Now on to our next body combo. We have a delicious smelling Pina Colada combo. So, have you tried the Equate body scrubs? This is the Equate Island Coconut Sugar Scrub, the Shea Sugar Scrub, and it has coconut and pineapple. Smells absolutely beautiful. And when I bought this, actually I didn't read the back of it. I was just like, oh, Island Coconut. I like coconuts, that sounds good. But this, oh, such a beautiful smell, so good, and also very inexpensive. And then to pair along with that body care product, we would use the coconut pineapple shower gel from Bath and Body Works. When I tell you this smells like pure pineapple juice, it is coconut and pineapple, but that pineapple is so strong, so juicy, and just yummy. Honestly, I wish I had bought like 3 of these because now they're gone. But this, oh, use these 2 together. Even if you don't use this, at least use these 2 in the shower, and you're just gonna have an amazing experience. You're just gonna smell like some type of yummy pineapple snack, for real. So once we get out the shower, we're gonna use the cocoa oil. This doesn't have really too much of a smell to it, but it's gonna lock in all of that delicious moisture. And if you have some scent left on your body from these, it's gonna lock all that in. And then on top, oops, I accidentally opened it. You're going to layer the Fresh Coconut Colada body cream and the fine fragrance mist. And you will definitely smell like a Pina Colada because this has coconut milk, vanilla rum, and pink hibiscus. So definitely smelling like a fruity Pina Colada drink with this body layering combo here. So next, ultimate snack, smelling like a complete creamsicle. I know I keep saying, have you smelled this? But no, for real. Have you smelled this? The Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub, the citrus. Oh, this has shea butter, orange oil, and avocado oil. Again, I want to open this because I want to smell this. I have a body care combo video, well, shower routine coming up for you soon. Because this is just amazing, okay? This is the most delicious, sweet smelling orange. It's not like a super strong, like choke you out orange, but this is just, ooh, I don't even like orange stuff like that, but this this is the perfect start to this orange creamsicle routine here. So after you scrubbed your body down and removed all that dead skin, go in with the Body Shop Warm Vanilla, or pretty much any type of vanilla scented body wash that you have. This is just what I have, so I would use this one. And then cocoa vanilla, because you're gonna be smelling like orange and vanilla. Like, this is a strong, beautiful, oh my gosh, I know I keep talking about that, but anywho, after you use your cocoa vanilla pink oil, you're going to move on to the orange vanilla twist from Bath and Body Works. And this smells like a creamsicle. Do you see the ice cream on the front? Do you see that? Do you see the ice cream? You're gonna smell like this. You're gonna smell like a literal summertime snack, like a creamsicle. And then of course it wouldn't be complete without the orange twist body mist. This adds even more delicious, sweet creamsicleness to that lotion there. So this is very strong, very delicious. If you have not smelled this one, babe, what are you doing? And the next layering combo that is still going to have you smelling like a snack, but it's not super sweet. This is more of a Fresh Gourmand, and I don't know why I'm shaking this. It kind of settled to the back there. But Fresh Gourmand, so fresh and delicious and edible. Start off with the Tree Hub Shea Sugar Scrub and Exotic Bloom. So this is a floral type of scent, just very fresh floral, and of course it gets you scrubbed really well. And then ultra moisturizing is the Saltwater Breeze Moisturizing Body Wash from Bath and Body Works. This is going to give you that fresh, delicious, beachy type smell. Just very good, very moisturizing. And once your body is damp and you've toweled off a little bit, go ahead and put on the cocoa vanilla. Trust me, I know you just used this beachy scent, but trust me, you're gonna smell amazing once you layer this cocoa vanilla. And then you go in with the Golden Ocean Pearl, because the Golden Ocean Pearl has a vanilla, but it also has bergamot breeze and some golden amber. So it's a beachy, fresh scent with that bergamot, but also that amber and that vanilla gives it a sexy, sultry, just very sweet, gourmand, just edible type smell. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the body mist. So on top of that, you're going to layer the Golden Ocean Pearl body mist from Bath & Body Works. Same fragrance notes. And you're going to be smelling like a just delicious, amazing snack. And finally, sweet strawberry. You're going to start with the Strawberry Tree Hut body scrub. This smells so sweet and juicy and strawberry-esque. This is literally one of my favorites from Tree Hut. I'm running a little low on this one, but I already have another one. So good. And then after we've gone in with our body scrub, we're going to use the Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt OGX Scrub and Wash. This is a pink starburst smelling body wash. Like literally, you're going to be in the shower like, why do I smell like a starburst? You're going to smell like the pink starburst, like the strawberry one. Like candy. And then again, once your skin is damp, you're going to go in with the cocoa oil from Pink. This is not very scented, so you're not going to smell any type of weird smell. This is just a basic coconut oil that will lock in that moisture and leave your skin looking and feeling amazing. Like, trust me. And then, you know, we want to smell like a sweet strawberry. So we're going to use the Body Shop Strawberry Body Butter. And this is like a wild, sweet type strawberry smell. Very moisturizing. A little goes a long way, especially if you have used this cocoa oil. If you don't have the cocoa oil, definitely you'll be fine with just the body butter. Like, you will be perfectly fine without this, but I just prefer both. And our final step would be the Buttercups and Berry Bellini Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath & Body Works. So this is, you know, I think it has some buttercup, but we don't really smell that buttercup. We smell strawberry. So it's strawberry, buttercup, and Prosecco. And the Prosecco makes the strawberry pop in this one. It makes it smell so good and juicy and fruity. So you're going to smell like a sweet strawberry snack once you use all of these babies together. I hope you guys enjoyed this body care layering video with all of the yummy scent combos. And of course, I hope you try some out. Let me know which ones are you going to try out. And of course, I have more videos just for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.